Hey, what's up guys? This is Brian Blair here at Kaizink, showing a quick tip on how to find the center of these like bucket or boat hats for DTF, and huge value to Judy for this technique. And what you're going to do is go ahead and find the two seams. I apologize, I'm trying to do this at a really bad angle here. And so you just line up these two seams, then pinch the brim together like this. Then you're going to take a pin and you're just going to line it straight up to the top here and just kind of push through like that. And then you're good to go ahead and get it lined up on the hat press. Once you've got it aligned and this is centered, you can go ahead and lock it into the press. Go ahead and remove the pin and you can just barely see that tiny little dot, and you'll also be centered on the hat press. Thanks for watching.